are happy to welcome Leslie Leonard, co-owner of Dent Cure.
Correct.
When I saw Dent Cure, every time I see it, I go, Dent Cure. Okay. So, I mean, it kind of seems self-explanatory, but give us the idea of what Dent Cure is all about.
Well, Dent Cure, we are a paintless dent repair and also auto body repair for small and medium sized dents or other things that happen around the world.
Life.
Yes, life happens a lot. You'll be surprised. Great stories there. But we do everything that we can to help with people that have hail damage or those little, bumper to bumper connections on the road. And we have some other things that tend to happen. People tend to run into poles and,
Yeah.
Some people get angry and things happen to cars. It just happens. So we're there to help them out. We do everything we can. Nothing huge, but we can work with panels, different panels. We have some great guys that come in, are amazing with body work. I mean, absolutely amazing what they can do. It's like magic.
Oh.
It's amazing. I really do. I call them magicians because...
How do they, look at that. How do you do that? I would think I need a whole new car.
No, we have special tools and a lot of patience.
Wow.
And
That's the professional tends to have patience.
yes, and you have to be an artist too.
Yeah.
Because my guys are perfectionists. Like they strive for everything to be absolutely perfect, like it never happened.
Look at that.
That's what you want in this type of situation, though. You want to trust somebody who's patient.
Right.
And takes the time to make it look brand new again.
Absolutely.
Before the dent. And I've heard you're a local company with great prices as well.
Absolutely. We are probably one of the most affordable companies for quality work.
Okay.
That's really big. We're a small company. We really want to treat people like we want to be treated. I mean, we have a small family. We work with, everybody, but we really want people to feel like they're getting everything they need. They're having communication. We try and help with any type of transportation, anything that we can do to try and make this situation easier on them. Because when we face it, it's our second biggest purchase of our life is our vehicle. And we need those, especially in Springfield where we have to pretty much drive everywhere.
Yeah.
So we want to make everything as smooth and painless, and we work with insurance.
Okay, you used that word a couple times, painless.
Right.
Is that just the whole process that you're talking about right now? The idea of put you at ease, everything's fine, we'll take care of it. Is that the idea?
Absolutely, especially when there's insurance companies involved.
Yeah.
Exactly. You could just pretty much put that on us. Let us work with the insurance companies. We keep everybody up to date. We don't want anyone wondering, oh, is my price going to go up when I get my car? Or, oh, they said I'm going to have it this week, but now it's going to be 2 more weeks. That's not how we roll. We want everyone to have constant communication, clarity. If the insurance comes back and says one thing, we're going to let that customer know.
So besides the paintless dent repair, you offer other services as well.
Correct. Like we will replace bumpers. If you have like a big dent in the fender, if you have some paint scrubs or like just where the paint breaks, because sometimes even in paintless dent repair, the paint will break and that can rust. And then that can, destroy the value of your vehicle and eventually cause other problems down the road. So we work with all that.
I find the whole process amazing because you're not drilling holes into the metal all the time and pulling out and then filling. And it's a whole different way of doing things than people might be used to.
Exactly. We use glue pull. We do have certain types of tools that can get into certain areas without having to drill holes. Oh, and we also do headlight restoration.
Oh.
Yeah. That's huge, and not the kind that you quickly slap on and it turns like orange or yellow.
That doesn't work.
No.
No, there's sand.
I've tried it.
Yeah, I think we all have.
Yeah.
And toothpaste and all of that stuff.
Baking soda.
Yeah, I've done it.
Don't do it.
No.
Don't do it. Trust the professionals.
Exactly. There's a lot of sandpaper and special things that requires a little bit of technique to get it right.
Talent.
Yeah.
Yes, a lot. Those guys are so talented.
Well, again, you said they're artists.
They are.
Yeah.
So what is the lag time? Or when should somebody come in? Like, let's say you got some dents, somebody dinged you in the parking lot. Do you need to come in for a consultation? How does it work? Do you come in, you leave the car? What's the best process for somebody to get those dents out?
You can call us or just swing by. Honestly, we're there from 9 to 5, well, sometimes earlier, but our hours are 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. So there's generally someone in the shop the entire time. So you can just swing by and we'll give you a quick free estimate. And
Where is that shop located?
that's a good question.
Yeah, I thought so. That's why I threw it in there.
It's 4103 West Sunshine Street in
Okay.
Springfield. So it's just past the new Target they're building and the Chick-fil-A.
Oh yeah, great location.
I know. I'm so excited.
Oh
Yes.
yeah. Well, thank you so much for coming in.
Yeah, thank you.
You guys want to support a local with great prices, a business that helps somebody in our community.
You have a
Give them
website?
call.
www.dent-cure.com.
Dent Cure, guys. Thank
Yep.
you so much. Good to
Thank
see you.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
All right, guys.